Patriots, I need to speak about something. About that 31 million that you see, that they say that I have spent. And I'm going to be very honest with you. I'm going to be very forthright with you. This is just a political campaign, and I'll tell you why. They say, Minister, you could have built clinics with that money. Am I the Minister of Health? Minister, we could have built schools with that. Am I the Minister of Education? Minister, you could have built more, you could have built sports fields. I'm doing that. That was 1.5 million US dollars or 1.3 something million US dollars in America. Our rand does not even compare to the US dollars, to the US dollar. That money comes from the budget. I have a budget of 7 billion in the Department of Sport, Arts and Culture. That money comes from the Department of Sports, Arts and Culture budget. Part of my job, it is eventing. That's part of my job. It's eventing. Part of my job is social cohesion. Part of my job is to profile the country. I did it with Live Golf, where I spent 100 million rand from the budget. We got back 1.3 billion. Why don't you wait to see the return on investment from the World Cup? Why do you want to act like I don't care about the state's money? I just want to waste it because you're playing politics. So you say Gaten's kids were there. My kids, my family is wealthy. So they can't go to the World Cup because the father is a minister. Our family is not a poor family. I'm not going to act poor here. We are a football family. We had 12 members of our family at the World Cup. 4 of them are not even back. They said they are staying on. They said, they'll come home. My sister is still in America. 2 children are still in America with her. Why is it that you want to put it on my family that they cannot watch the World Cup? Why do you lie and say my family thing? You know, my friend gives me 4 tickets for, 10 tickets, VIP tickets. I take that 10 tickets, give my children. I said, bring me that VIP tickets you got. You just normal tickets. I gave that to people, day tickets that they've been gifted. I said, go sit with the people. You think this is the first World Cup since I'm a minister? My family has been going to events around the world. I must spend the money of the department for the things of the department that I can account for. I profile the country. I got a bill of a hotel room. Let me tell you, I'm like, no, I can't stay there. Find me another hotel. They found me a 4-star hotel in Atlanta. My kids are flying in. They've booked themselves at the hotel that I said, I can't stay there. It's too expensive. I stayed in a 4-star hotel in Atlanta. My kids come. They're like, well, our travel agent booked us there, Daddy. Sorry for you. If you have to stay there, we stay in this side. That's not, since I'm being a minister, you are allowed certain times to travel with your family. It's allowed. There's not one member of my family that has ever been paid for by the state. Not one. Now you want me to say nothing when you take me. Julle kan nooit die van my verwag nie. There's not a single member of my family that I use that opportunity for them to travel for free. And my family has not always sat at home. They would travel, say, oh, we miss you, can we come to you? I said, but you'll pay for yourself. Let them show you one member. And if they can come out and say, yeah, you paid for your family members, then I'm a liar. I'm sharing with the Patriots. When I saw the bill for the ground transport, which was like 600,000 rands, $600,000. I took a lift with Charles Salier in his rent-a-car. Charles drove. I took a lift in Charles's rent-a-car. Charles had a rent-a-car. When I wasn't with Charles, I took Ubers. I have the slips. I took Ubers as a minister. I meet other ministers there. They come in with nice black cars. I jump out of the Uber. And it buys any. I took Ubers. I would come there with other ministers coming with black cars and stuff like that. I will come there. I'll be jumping out of the Uber. And I'll go. It's only in Mexico where the Mexican government said, no, we're going to give you a car here. You can't be having your own car here because of security reasons. Now, the reason why I told them, there's a lady, her name is, so I told you first, 1, I took Ubers. 2, I want you just to give you the points. 1, I took Ubers. 2, I took a lift with Charles Salier, my special advisor. 3, when you travel as a minister or of a government official, there's something they call S&Ts. And even as a singer, whatever, it's just money for your food, for your drinks, all those things. For the whole World Cup, the whole 5 weeks, my S&Ts came up to 55,000. I wrote to the CFO, I said, I don't want you to pay me those S&Ts. Don't pay me the S&Ts, I don't want the money. He says, what? I've been a CEO so long, I've never heard this. I said, my brother, I can't be taking more money from the state. I'm trying to save money here. Don't pay me the money. He says, but you have to give me proof of that so that you don't come tomorrow and say, I said, I'll give you. And I gave it to him. I'm going further. I want to show the Patriots. I get there. The whole cameras is on this one lady. I don't know her. This lady is dancing there. The cameras of the world is following this lady. That's a Zulu lady with a Zulu dress, with South African Zulu dress. She danced for them. The cameras of the whole media that's there, they just follow this one lady. I tell Stacy, find me who is this lady. She's in all the newspapers. She's everywhere. I said, Stacy, find out who this lady is. It took Stacy the whole day. Stacy then found out this lady's name is Tato Zondi. I said, get me her number. I called her. I said, Tato, let me thank you for what you've done for our country. I said, Tato, you do know that there's a game in 2 days? She's like, yes. I said, are you coming again? She says, no, I'm not coming. I don't have money to come. said, okay, I will pay for you. She says, you got to speak to my aunt. Luckily, her aunt knows me. She says, no, I trust you. I took my money. I booked that lady a flight to Mexico. Not to Mexico, is it Atlanta or Mexico? No, Mexico. I booked a flight to Mexico. I booked the hotel accommodation. I didn't say the state must pay. I said, I will pay out of my pocket because I'm doing it for the state. Now today when they say I'm just going on a holiday. A holiday for me. I paid for that lady to go there. I took Uber because I did my job. And I didn't just go there. They say I went there for the World Cup only. I didn't. I had a meeting with the Grammy Museum. The Grammy Museum, I showed them that you've never showcased African Grammy Award winners here. We agreed with them to say they are going to showcase Africans. We must give them the name. That's the Grammy Museum. I went to go see them. This is during the World Cup. I went to go and see the Los Angeles Film Festival. And I asked them, can you please make South Africa the focus country next year? They agreed to that. I met the people. I went to Mexico to talk to F1, the people that have been hosting F1 in that country. I took notes. How did they do F1? How did they answer certain questions? Because we are the question answering stage. I went to Betway for sponsorship. I went to Honor for sponsorship. I went to Cell-C for sponsorship. I went to Old School for sponsorship. They each gave me like more than $1 million. That's what I did. Now you tell me, oh, you know, I'm just now from a meeting of ministers. I was like 40 ministers in that room, or 50 ministers from all over the world for the Commonwealth game. Tomorrow we're having a meeting. After the meeting, I'm not staying for the Commonwealth game. I'm the only minister. I'm going back home. I want to share with you everything. So when they said to me, how did you spend the money? Because they said I spent 31 million alone. I put every expense out there. I'm not here to take. I'm here to build my country. This weekend, Trafalgar Square, 15,000 people in Trafalgar Square. The London government gave me Trafalgar Square for 7 days because we had to set up concert and then break down. 7 days they closed Trafalgar Square for us. I don't talk about what I do, but I have receipts of everything that I do. You know, I was in the thing. My friend, one of my friends is my friends was in one of these music bands overseas, but he didn't go with me. He was so happy to see me, and he says, "Gee, koop my bietjie shot whiskey daar, man." I said to him, "Take any bottle you want." You know, he bought a very expensive bottle. I said to Charles, go pay that bottle and keep me the slip because morgen gaan jy weer hoor, Mackenzie koop drank in die hotel. I said, just go pay for that. I am not a taker. I'm a giver. So I'm giving you information that you must know. And this is the most important and last thing I want to say. If you don't have ambition as a country, we have to sell our country. We have to showcase our country. That's my job. That is what the president told me is my job. I have to make social cohesion between nations. If you don't want me to sell, if you are angry with me for 31 million of the World Cup, you're going to kill me with a bill of F1. Those running to billions. I'm busy bringing big events here. I've had meetings this morning for big events to come to South Africa. Running into 200-300 million rand. In my budget. Now then, I'm the wrong minister. I'm sorry if you are not ambitious. Because I am ambitious. I'm a writer and I'm a best-selling author today. All my books has reached best-selling status. I slept on a mattress and today, look what I've achieved with my life. I started the fastest growing political party in this country, and the 6th largest political party in this country. I am ambitious. I'm a naturally ambitious person. So if you put me as a sports minister and you want me not to be ambitious, you're making a grave mistake. Then I'm not your guy. Because I want to take our country and showcase it like we did in Trafalgar Square. These things matter. Now come AfriForum, because AfriForum went to tell the world we are genocidal. But there Trafalgar Square, white, black, Indian, colored, we are together. It messed up with the narrative. No, AfriForum is angry. That's why they make statements with the DA. Daai is nou, hulle soos twee boude, by mekaar. AfriForum and the DA, soos twee boude, by mekaar. Now, AfriForum is angry because the world has seen white people, Indian people, colored people, black people together at Trafalgar Square. The UK government said, there's Trafalgar Square. There's a time where to stop people from coming in. So they are attacking me for 31 million. The DA is attacking me. Do not make me ask that all ministers must show their thing. If your minister's DA. You will be shocked. But I'm going to ask you, can you release the New York trip that Ellen Winde took? I'm telling you, Patriots, I'm telling you, let them release the New York trip that Ellen Winde take. Who paid for it? How much was paid? How many people went there? What meetings did they have? I can tell you all my meetings I had. I had more than 17 meetings when I was in America. If you ask me, as I must answer you. That's why I bring the receipts, how much money I spend. How can I tell you the worst part, Patriots? And it might not sound nice, but it's the worst part. 31 million for government is not a lot of money. Honestly, for me and you, it's a lot of money. But for government, it's not a lot of money. For me and you, that's a lot of money. They say, you don't give walking money. I've given walking money. I give the federations money. But what you put, you don't make money. What you put in, you have to put in to get out. Look at the South Africa World Cup in 2010, how many billions we spent. But look at the goodwill. I'm even still using that. These things are connected, Patriots. Players sees the crowd. They saw the lucky fans singing for them. That thing motivates you as a person. Then they start scoring goals or they start playing better. That is life. That's how life works. When you see somebody in the crowd, you want to impress them. These things are connected.
Life of an artist, bad shot spices, glorifying drugs as a stage fright cure. You can try this just when you're about to grab your chance of staging. Excitement, you can't think out this industry, or should I say this killer dream, cause you will swear that from the start it was designed to kill artists. Bangakulwela when days are bright, ungutembekile. As a human being on Instagram, too much pressure, unrealistic expectations. Whoever said that is the perfect is with us, wetembekile. Singiza wetembekile. Remedies within us as ikhwemba sibhebhekile.